Oh, it is Frog Baby's first time at camping.
And of course
it's raining. What do you think about it, Gecko?
Cool.
What's going on, Boss of Turtles? How was your first rain in a tent episode? Was it scary?
Yeah, it's cute. There's a bear.
There's a bear.
Look up on us. Back, turn on camera.
Huh? Oh yeah. We can't even hear each other because it's raining so bad outside.
I'm recording. Hi guys. This is
Good try.
This is Gecko Grandpa and Gecko Grandma.
Turtle pop up.
Turtle pop up.
Turtle boss pop up.
Turtle ball.
Pop.
What's going on? Oh, you grabbed it. Oh, what is it? Oh, selfie time. Baby selfie. It is like raining hardcore out there. Oh my gosh. All right, so we are really over this wet storm. Hey Gecko, what's your favorite candy in the whole entire world?
Caramel apple.
You're a brat.
Another hailstorm. We got smash in a hailstorm. Look at the hail building up. Look at the hail coming off my little awning here. There's Sally way over there. She can't get back because it's hailing. Say hi, Sally!
Are you excited the snow popcorn's done?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know, we survived the hailstorm. And now, my husband, keeper of the zoo, is making his famous campfire chili cheese fries.
What?
And there goes Ma with the baby. So Gecko, why might I get a divorce because of this trip?
Because you broke your husband's phone.
Gecko, what are you roasting? Is it a s'more?
Gummy bear. They've always done bad things to me.
Let's try it.
I don't know what happened on YouTube.
What's going on, turtles?
He's watching a
Smoke follows beauty, you're fine.
all of them.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah!
I really hope I got that. All right. So what happened?
Oh!
So now what are you gonna do?
Roast the marshmallow.
Do roast what you're supposed to roast?
Hello everybody! Today I will teach you how to make gecko s'mores. First, take a s'more and put it on a stick. Then, you roast it over a fire. You want it to get nice and puffy like shown right here. Then you gotta roast it even more. Wait for it to be really puffy and yellow. Then you get a big stick of chocolate. Then you take 3 chocolate bars and a marshmallow. Then you take 2 graham crackers, which Gecko Grandpa's providing.
It's just Pawpaw.
Turtle Boss Papa.
Turtle Boss Pawpaw.
I mean Turtle Boss Papa.
Smash, look at the shirt.
Yeah, Terps.
Turtle Boss Papa.
So then you break all the chocolate into 3 pieces, like shown on the screen. This part you need to follow very carefully. You have to put like this, then you put 1 chocolate exactly in the center, then another one, and then you take the mallow, and then what you do with the third chocolate? You eat it. And now you have the perfect Gecko s'more.
Did they?
I don't know what's going on.
What are you gonna do?
Well,
My name is Gecko and I have no idea where I am.
Say Boyd Lake State Park.
Port Lake State
Boy. Turtles, how is it? How's the water? What are you inside? It's a what? A crack. Donna. Say baby shark doo doo. That's how I get out. How do we do it?
You get marshmallow, chocolate, peanut butter. You get corn too.
And then?
You put in the fire.
And what happens when we put it in the fire?
It turns hot. It took 1 ration.
So if you couldn't understand that wonderful narrativization from Turtles, we get ice cream cones. We put chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, and marshmallows in them and put them over the fire. It's really good.
And then while you're waiting, you watch Gecko King do the best mates.